What's going on, everybody? Gardening with Barchuckin. Merry Christmas. Wanted to show you how my pepper plant's looking. On Christmas I actually pulled off a couple blossoms. Check this out. So here it is. You can see this is all new growth. Right here is new growth, and there was actually three blossoms that were on the pepper plant, and here's another one right now. So what I'm doing is I'm actually just pulling these off so it doesn't try to actually fruit right now. It saves that energy, just puts it into root production for us, and then hopefully it'll be nice and strong for when I plant it in the spring. Thanks for checking this out.